How's it going, everyone? In this video, we're going to show you how to send money abroad using Remitly online. So this is perfect if you need to send funds to family, friends, or even pay for services internationally, all without the hassle of traditional banks. So first, head over to the Remitly website or open their mobile app. And if you don't have an account yet, you also need to sign up with your email and verify your identity. Don't worry, it's actually pretty straightforward and secure. But once you're logged in, simply select Send Money and choose the country you want to send to. So Remitly will also show you the available delivery options like bank deposit, cash pickup or mobile wallet, and the fees and the estimated delivery time for each. Next, you're also going to have to enter the amount you want to send and add the recipient's details, double check their name and account information. So guys, you definitely don't want any mistakes here. Then you simply have to choose your payment method. So Remitly lets you pay in debit card, credit card or bank transfer, and after that you then have to review all the details carefully, and if everything looks good you then have to tap send. And once you do that, you then get a confirmation with a tracking number so you can follow your transfer until it reaches the recipient. And that's basically it. So sending money abroad with Remitly is fast, safe and simple. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.